Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into INFINIX HOT 11. So firstly, open your top navigation bar and find this button, screen recording. Now I got silent screen recorder because my phone is muted. So okay, if you don't have this button here, click to pencil on the top and then scroll down and find this button here on the bottom. And now we need to find this button and then press and hold this button and drag to top to adding this button to navigation bar. So click back for saving, and now press and hold to screen recorder button, and here we got picture quality. Click it and you can change medium, low or high quality and click share. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.